Good day YouTube. A very disturbing situation is unfolding on the western coast of Mexico, US and Canada. Sea turtles, whales, sea lions, seals, birds, fish, starfish and a host of other marine life are dying and the experts don't know why. The video shows the virus starfish waste syndrome. The first big quake of February belongs to Argentina, only the fifth large quake of 2015. More flooding for Macedonia.
Heavy rain has led to severe flooding in Greece, Albania and the former Yugoslavian Republic of Macedonia. In one region, troops were drafted in to help rescue villagers and to shore up defences after rivers burst their banks. Bridges have been damaged and homes made unusable, and the forecast is for more to come.
One of Chicago's top 3 record snowstorms, says the mayor.
A huge snowstorm has battered Chicago, causing more than 1,000 flights to be cancelled. The US National Weather Service said that some parts of the city might see more than 40 centimetres of snow, with winds of 70 kilometres per hour and visibility of less than 500 metres.
"7,000 homes in the Pyrenees were left without power after more than a metre snow fell in some areas. 20 people are thought to have lost their lives because of avalanches. Thousands of birds have died at Nevada's Walter Lake from a disease experts say hasn't made an appearance in decades. An estimated 3,000 birds have died from avian cholera since December. Thousands of dead starfish have washed up on a beach in Abigail, Wales, after a period of stormy weather. The dead starfish covered at least 500 metres of beach, a witness said. A deadly storm hit Boston Monday night, forcing the delay of Boston's Super Bowl victory parade and snarling air traffic at several major airports. It was the second major storm in less than a week. Another plane crash, which is another blow for the air traffic sector, who have suffered badly recently. Many people died when the ATR 72 turboprop crashed into a river in Taiwan. Situated on the island of Sicily in Italy, Mount Etna, Europe's highest volcano, is currently spewing ash and lava into the sky. This eruption started in December and shows no sign of stopping in the near future. There have been literally thousands and thousands of dead birds, either cold or through sickness, around the world in recent months. Avian flu is ready to pounce. Albania has declared a state of emergency after some of the worst floods the country has ever seen. Hundreds of families have been evacuated from the flood zones, with more rain on the way. More than half of Taiwan's population of geese have been lost to avian flu. The highly pathogenic avian influenza of several different variants has affected 674 poultry farms, with 2.5 million birds being culled. Spectacular volcanic eruptions in Mexico.
Two of Mexico's most active volcanoes are putting on a spectacular show. More than 60 explosions have been recorded at one of the volcanoes, and one of the eruptions is reported to have reached more than 1,000 meters into the air.
Europe now joins the US in breaking snow and cold records. Severe winter weather has been causing chaos for many across Europe. Some parts of Sweden had the most snow in 50 years. Heating was lost for thousands of residents in Zagreb after snowstorms swept through Croatia on Wednesday. The heavy snowstorm left nearly 1 meter of snow in some parts. Soviet-era uranium mines are sending villagers to sleep.
3 more cases of sleeping sickness have been registered over the past week. 64-year-old woman and 2 teenagers were brought to the hospital with a rare health condition. This year's second outbreak of sleeping sickness started on August 28, when 6 people were hospitalized in just 1 day. On September 1st, another 9 patients, including 8 children, were brought to the local hospital.
And finally, Meteor caught on a Devon beach cam. It clearly shows footage of a meteor falling into the sea. Until next week, thanks for watching.